Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you the new Temu strategy to make money easily. So first up here is open up your Temu application and then tap on this U button right here at the bottom. And from here, as you can see on your screen, you need to scroll down and tap on this settings option. And once you tap this one, you need to tap on this country and region. Here, you just need to choose United States. And once you choose this one, go back and an option here shows up. As you can see here, earn credits and free gifts. So tap this option here and you'll find here all the ways on how you can make money easily on Temu. So we have here 5 free gifts, hat-trick gifts, affiliate cash program, redeem cash, and fishnet. So here, as you can see on redeem cash, you can actually cash out money, $200 on your people. So how can we do that? So we can just tap on this continue button here under this redeem cash. And then you will go through this option. As you can see, I have here $1 and you only need 150 coins to go so you can withdraw your money on people. So as you can see here, if you scroll down, you'll find here when you get 150 coins, you can receive dollar from people. So the more the coins you have, the more the dollar or money you can get on this Temu. So to get more coins here, you just need to refer friends. So tap on this button here to invite your friends to go here on Temu application. And here you'll find all the ways on how you can refer friends, but you just tap on copy code. As you can see here, your referral code. So refer friends to download Temu and search your code and then get your reward from each successful referral. So copy this code here, and once they receive your invitation code, they need to go here on categories, and here on the search box at the top, they need to paste the code here. And once they've done, tap on search, and they will automatically go here on the page. Now once they accept the offer, you receive coins, and then you can actually withdraw the $10 to your people account. So that's how you basically make money easily on Temu application. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.